So in the last couple of weeks, we have got windows in. We've started to get siding put back on. You can see that over here. We have also had to do quite a bit of work to make the old front door work. It needed some love, just the way that it had originally been installed. Had some problems. Okay, so we're inside the house now. You can see that, well, you can't see much that's on the floor right now. We've got the floor protection down. We have got all of the it's vinyl plank flooring on this project installed. That's down. The team is in here right now getting all the baseboard in. They've got door casings in. Boom, done. Looking great. Baseboard in over there. Drywall is still looking awesome. So in the last couple of weeks, what happened? Floor leveling, flooring. We are scrambling to get this project done. We at Sprucehill do not ever promise that we are gonna get your project done before Christmas or before a wedding. We will never make that promise. We have screwed up and made that promise in the past. Won't be making that promise again in the future. All right, so what we wanna do is we want to set expectations that hopefully we can achieve. We've told these clients that we will be done sometime early next year. Of course, it's November 6th. We are so close. We need to get cabinets in, countertops in, finished paint, backsplash. We should be able to get these clients in before Christmas. And you know the Sprucehill team is gonna pull out all of the stops to get it done. But we don't promise it. We are gonna bust our humps. Sometimes things go sideways. Trade partners get sick. Materials get damaged, all sorts of things can happen in this wonderful business that we are in. But I'll tell you what, Team Sprucehill is gonna make it happen or do our very best to make sure that it does for these wonderful clients. Anyways, that's our project update. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in learning more about us or talking to us, give us a shout, 604-971-4899, or find us on the internet, www.sprucehill.ca. You can also find us on Instagram, Sprucehill Homes, Facebook at Sprucehill Homes, and obviously YouTube, Sprucehill Homes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.